The windy conditions out there, and that's one of the reasons that this morning is a weather alert as we take a live look over North Dallas, overcast skies, and you'll see the temperatures there on the left. But how about that wind chill? That's what it feels like on your skin out the door because of the winds. It feels like the lower 30s for McKinney, Denton, Fort Worth, and Dallas. And as we continue looking at the temperatures through the afternoon, they will rise up into the low to mid 50s, but it will feel colder when you factor in the wind coming in from the north. So at 1, it will feel like 43 degrees instead of that 49-degree temperature reading. Here's what we're tracking. A weather alert for today because of the windy, cold weather. We look ahead toward the weekend with near freezing low temperatures, and we're also tracking our next chance of showers and thunderstorms late next week. A wind advisory for all of North Texas until 10 o'clock this morning, and after that we'll probably lift the weather alert as our wind speeds start to go down, but we could see them up to about 35 miles an hour at times this morning. And as we look at the wind gust forecast here, these winds will start to go down even more by this afternoon, even lower overnight into early Saturday morning, light to calm for most of the area. That means a chilly start to the day. So some 50s for highs this afternoon, 30s for tomorrow morning, mid and upper 50s by the afternoon with mostly cloudy skies. By Sunday morning, that's at 7 o'clock, several areas, especially along and north of Highway 380, will likely be in the upper 20s and low 30s. Let's think about the pets, the plants, and the people. First alert radar showing just a few light showers from time to time and maybe even a sleet pellet or two. Not expecting too many problems. The cold front that brought the showers, storms, and severe weather to our south now with lingering moisture behind it. So going through the day, we'll see gradual clearing skies and the clouds will likely thin out sometimes at times to see some sunshine. But as we go through your Saturday, we'll likely have mostly cloudy skies. So just understand the whole weekend won't look great. I see, look at this. By Thursday, I have it highlighted there, 50% chance of showers and storms. You don't want to see any more storms, Brooke? I know it really would be the third Thursday in a row that we've had severe weather or strong storms in the area. So we're just kind of stuck in this pattern. Next Thursday could be our next weather alert, by the way, and we're going to see some warmer temperatures in your 7-day.